In today's class, I teach you electricity and its effect. This is the chapter of physics, class 10th. So first question is, what is electricity? You have seen electricity, like in another way we can say it is electric current also. So what is electric current? Electric current is a flow of charge in a conductor. What is the meaning of conductor? Those material they have free charge or free electrons are called conductors. So current is defined as the flow of, suppose this is a piece of wire, this is a magnified form of wire, and in the wire there are so many free electrons. When we apply the potential difference means this end of the wire is positive and this end of the wire is negative. So here the potential difference developed between two ends. Electrons are negatively charged particles. When we apply the potential, the charges, negative charge are attracting towards the positive end. So electrons can move from negative end to positive end. This is called electric current. That means we can say the flow of electron in a metallic wire is called electric current. So we can define I is equals to Q by T, where Q is the total charge which is flowing in the metallic wire or in a conductor, and T is the time. So charge passes through wire per second is called electric current. The unit of electric current is coulomb. So unit of charge is coulomb and unit of time is second, SI unit. So unit of current is coulomb per second. Or in another way, SI unit of current is also known as ampere. So we can define 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. So passing of 1 coulomb charge in 1 second is called electric current, and the value of electric current is 1 ampere. That means what is the definition of 1 ampere? When 1 coulomb charge passing through a wire or through a conductor in 1 second is called current is 1 ampere. Ampere is the SI unit of current. When 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb per second. Okay. So if time equals to 1 second, then 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb. This is the definition of electric current. Or in another way, suppose this is a small segment of wire. In this wire, delta Q, small, delta Q means small charge, delta Q, D. dq means very, very small charge. So very, very small charge passing through very minute time is called current. Where delta Q limit tends to, delta T limit tends to, so I equals to Q by T. When T limit tends to 0, so this expression can form. Okay. This is the definition of electric current. Next topic is potential. We have to take here one example. In household electricity, total current is passing in household electricity is 5 ampere in a single phase. So how many electron passes through wire in 1 second? We can calculate. I is equals to Q by T, where Q is equals to N into E, where N is the number of electron, E is the charge on electron. So total charge Q equals to N into charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And time is taken is 1 second. So I is equals to N into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 upon 1 second. And the question is, how many electron passes through a conductor in 1 second? How many electrons are passing through a conductor in 1 second for 1 ampere? So value we can put here I equals to 1 ampere. I is equals to 1 ampere is equals to n into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 by 1. So n is equals to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is equals to 1 divided by 1.6 into, and the power is going upward, then it's plus 19. So this is equals to 10 into 10 to the power 19 by 1.6. After solving, then we get this. I can write here. This term I can write here 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Then here we see for 1 ampere current 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons are passing for 1 second. Means this number is a very huge, very big number. It can be written as 6 to 5 0 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. That means in huge number of electrons are passes through a conductor for 1 ampere current. Okay. So this is the definition of electric current. And for today's class, the topic is over. Next class we have to discuss electric potential. So I hope you are solved many examples, different type of examples for electric current. Thank you very much.